This is baby sleeping after not napping all day. Can you hear the snoring? He's like a little old man. How cute he is.
Look at his feet wiggle.
It's hard to see his feet, but yeah. Alright, that's Cutie Pie sleeping.